In today's video, we will see how to create a table in HTML. So let us do on our notepad, and with the help of example, we can easily understand how we create a table. So let us start with first tag, that is HTML. So we will start, write first tag HTML and close the HTML tag. As we know that we need to close all the tags. After that, we will take header tag and another title. Inside title, we can write anything which we want to give the title of our page. Again, we close the title tag and we close the header tag. After that, we will take body of our program, and inside the body, we will do all the things which are related to the program. So all the things, all the business logic should be written inside the body. Like I said, if we want to take a table or if we want to create a table, then we will take a tag name table, and we also to close that tag. And inside the table, we will take table row and table column. So here we will take a table row. Suppose we want to take 3 table row and 3 table column, means we want to create a table with 3 row and 3 column. So we will need 3 table rows, means TR, and inside the each table row we will take 3 table data, and these table data work like as the table column. So again we close that table row, means all the tags which are open should be closed after the program. So inside the table row, we will take a table data, like as if we want to say that serial number, and we close that table data. Again, we will take second table data, like as name. Again, we will close that table data. Again, we will take third table data, and suppose that we will take roll number, and we want to close that table data also. Okay, fine. Now, in the same process, we will take another table row, because we want to create a three table row. So this one our first table row, and this one our second table. This one is the second table row. Inside that table row, we will take again table data, like as the serial number 001. We want to close that table data. Again, we will take another table data, name like as we write Manish, close that table data. Again, we will take third table data, like as the roll number is 010, and we close that table data. So this one is our second row. And the same process, we will take third table row. This one is the third table row, and we close that third table row. Now, inside again we take table data, like as now 002. We close that table data. Second table data inside the third row, like as the second name, we will take ABC. We will close that table data. Again, third table data means third table column, 011, and we close that table data also. So this one is our whole program, uh, which create a table of 3 row and 3 column. This one is the whole program that will create table row, 3 table row. This one is the first table row. This one is the second table row, and this one is the third table row. TR means table row. And inside the each table row, we want to take a 3 column, means we want to take a 3 table data. This one is also 3 table data. This one is also 3 table data. Now we will save these programs anywhere in your computer with the help of .html extension. Like as we want to save this program table.html. So we say after saving, we want to run this program. So goes on the icons where you have written table.html and open it. Open with any browser like as a Google Chrome or Mozilla or Internet Explorer, which one you have. So it will take some time. I will show you what will be the output after running these programs, which we will be creating with the help of table row and table data. Now you can see here, this one is the creating a table with this one is the first row, this one is the second row, and this one is the third row. And each table row have their own column. Means each table row can have their own data. But still we are not seeing these in the table format because there is a line between each row and each column is there. It will be a cell. And here we are not getting any cell, means any row or any column or any border. So now come on the code and you can see that here we take a table data, a table tag. And if we want to show the border, then we will need to write border. And what will be the cell pixels of border? Like as we will write 2 pixels and we will save this. And now we will go on the Google Chrome and refresh our program. Now you can see that there will be a border will be present inside the program. So this one is the border which will be appear after adding a tag. That one is the border. And here you can also see that the table is on left upper corner. We want to show in the middle portion. Then there is a slightly change in the code. Like as a inside the body, you fix your alignment. Means alignment. What is the align? Align will be like as a center. By default, alignment will be left. But when we will fix the alignment, like as a center or like as a right side, again we save the program and share the screen of the output. This one is our old output. When we will refresh, then the alignment should be in the center side. Now, there will be a right. We also said make our file into the right side. Now, if we want to give any color, बॉर्डर टेबल का कलर कोई देना चाहते हैं तो उस केस में हम क्या करेंगे देन वी विल also add another tag like as a body और body का background color क्या लेना चाहते हैं so we will take bg color bg means background color and bg color value like as we want to take red then the background color will be red. We refresh the program and this one is our background color. Here is your output, this one, background color. You can change your background color with the help of bg color. Now, suppose that this one, serial number, name and roll number, कि अगर आप ये चाहते हैं कि ये हेडिंग फॉर्मेट में आए, then you write here not table data, now this will be table heading, th, table heading, और आप टेबल हेडिंग को क्लोज भी करेंगे हर जगह जहां पे भी आपको टेबल हेडिंग चाहिए. दिस वन इज अ टेबल हेडिंग, टेबल हेडिंग. हमने प्रोग्राम को सेव किया एंड शेयर द स्क्रीन, old output, refresh again. This one is now table heading. Serial number, name and roll number is the table heading. So this one is the primary and basic thing how we will create a table with HTML code. There are various operations you can apply, like change your font color, change your font size, change your font style, and anything which you want to change. I think this will be clear to all of you that how we will create a table. Basically, there are only two things inside the table. First one is the table row, and the second one is the table data. And this one is nothing new. This one is simple as a table heading. अगर आप लोग heading रखना चाहते हैं, then you can simply have a table head. Okay, now this one is the table border. जो भी आप साइज देना चाहेंगे वो साइज आएगा. लाइक एज इफ आई वांट टू गिव 20 and save this program. Now I want to share the screen to all of you. Refresh that. So this one is the table border. जितनी थिकनेस देना चाहेंगे उतनी थिकनेस आपकी बढ़ती चली जाएगी. आप 200 दे दें और 200 देने के बाद देखें. So this one is the thickness of your table, just like as a 3D diagram. So easily you can create a table. Now, table is the most powerful tools in case of HTML, because anything you want to write, like as if you want to create a login page, or if you want to create a sign up page, then like as you place your username level and username text box, or password level or password text box, sign up, reset buttons, all the things should be placed inside the table cell. One of the advantages of using table when we will applying bootstrap concept means if we want to show the output on a small screen, then the data not be overlapped with each other or scattered here and there. All the data should be bind when we will place the data inside the table. One disadvantage of using table, the size of the page will be heavy when we will create a table. So जहां पे जरूरत हो वहां पे आप टेबल यूज करें. अननेसेसरली अपने पेज के वेट को इंक्रीज ना करें. इंक्रीज करने का मतलब जो आपका पेज अभी नॉर्मली 2 KB या 4 KB में होगा, टेबल बनाते समय वो 20 और 40 KB में आ जाएगा. तो सो आपका पेज हैवी होगा, रिलोड करने में ज्यादा समय लेगा. Now come on the code. ये आपका सिंपली टेबल के बारे में हो गया था. देन देयर इज अ concept of cell spacing and cell padding. We will see later what is the concept of cell spacing and cell padding. And there are some more concepts in advanced HTML, like as a how we will create a row inside the row or a column inside the column. So these all the things we will see. Now, we will see another concept related to the table.